What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're working on the Seadoo again on the RXdI. We had another fuel pump issue, which is known on these DI models, that the fuel pump goes bad. So I reinstalled again another aftermarket pump. This time it's from another aftermarket supplier. So in one of our previous films I used the Quantum, and this time I used the Venom. Well, they are actually both the same, only a different color. They are both approved by the Seadoo forum, as they don't take a lot of current, so your stator and your battery won't go dead, and you will also not get a maint. But there's a big issue with these pumps, because this older piece that you need to fit from your original pump goes into an adapter, which also has a hose on it like this, with a clamp and then a small bushing that goes around it as well. So it will look like this. So copper, then this is with a clamp and another clamp into your pump. But what happens after 2 or 3 hours? Everything works great, everything works fine, but then it started leaking at this mounting point and this mounting point due to the big pressure that these DY Seadoos are using. Then everywhere fuel will spread out, so we need to come up with some sort of solution so this won't leak again. Because as you can see, if you got it removed, you can see it's easily to twist the fitting inside the rubber hose, so fuel will come out in between the mounting points. So what I had in mind doing is cut this little piece off, get ourselves a brand new hose, and make sure that these pieces are inside the new hose, so the fuel pressure will shoot better through the complete hose assembly. So fingers crossed that it will work. I will cut this piece off and then slide it into a new piece of fuel hose and then smack it on here or on this one, and maybe put some fuel resistant glue on here as well, so we are 100% sure that it won't leak this time. Okay guys, so it's the next day now. I let the pump dry since we used some glue to nicely seal it all off. What I'm going to do now is throw it in the ski and hopefully she fires up, and otherwise I will throw all the Chinese aftermarket pumps away and go OE. Okay, so we installed the fuel pump, so now we're going to try if she will run. So yeah, only one way to find it out. Okay guys, so unfortunately our Seadoo still isn't firing. She does fire up if we pour some fuel inside the cylinders. We googled a little bit and found a video on YouTube with what's the problem with these Chinese aftermarket fuel pumps. As soon as there's pressure from the other side into the fuel pump, the fuel pumps will start leaking. Where the fuel pump is assembled back together, fuel will spray out everywhere. You can check the video on YouTube, the guy is explaining it very well. So what we will do is try to find ourselves an OEM pump. So let this be a heads up for you guys. Don't be cheap ass like I am. We went over 3 pumps already, which are $100 per piece. So you definitely want an OE one, otherwise you're out on the water and after sitting for a while your Seadoo won't start. With that being said guys, hopefully you like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in the next video.